can do it.
We are at
what? Where are we? We are at Salem Lake, and it's gonna be amazing. We've got Jake, Autumn, Mary, and my guy, and we've got Lucy and Olivia and me, Alice. Okay. I'm coming. Come on, Nev, are you coming? Oh, people are coming. On this side. My hands. I think I might be getting the frostbite. And my legs are the tiredest thing. First. Now here comes a hill. Time to go up. That was a bumpy one. Time to go up. Almost got it. Yes, I made it up the hill. Now time to go down. Looks like there's another hill. Well, it's not a race to me, so it don't matter who's up front or not. I just want to ride my bike and go real fast. Woohoo! I'm trying. Passing on the right.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was so funny. Pass, Mommy, on the left. Passing on the right. Passing on the left. Passing on the left, Mom. I'm just trying my best. Hi, little puppy. That puppy is so cute. I always look at it when I'm going slow. It's very pretty. Here's a nice spot to take a break, Olivia. We're taking a break here. It's the perfect spot. Did someone die here? Looks like someone died here. No, someone died here. Or it could just be for decoration. How do I get... It's hard to stop here. I'm just gonna walk. Passing on the left. Wow. This is so much fun for my birthday. I just stopped for a minute because I saw no one except for people that are not in my family. So I was just like, I better wait for them. Passing on the left. Passing on the left.
Fantastic!
Looks like there's another hill.